Hi all, I'm Sir Bryan and we are here to study algebra. Our first lesson is about sets. Objectives: the students must be able to 1. Describe sets and other terminologies related to sets. Next, determine set relations. And finally, perform operations on sets. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined means no ambiguity. It also means that we can clearly identify or determine whether a given object belongs to the collection or not. For example, the collection of all vowels in the English alphabet. This is an example of a set. Next, the collection of good movies in 2019. This is not a set. Why? For instance, one may give Joker as a good movie in that year, but others will not agree. Hence, the collection is not well defined and therefore not a set. Let's go to this exercise. Number 1. All numbers greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 5. What is your answer? And the correct answer is set. How about the collection of all numbers near 10? What is your answer? And the correct answer is not a set. Why? The word near here is vague. We don't know how near a given number is to 10. We usually use capital letters to name sets. The objects that belong to a given set are called elements. Let capital S be the set of all vowels in the English alphabet. Since A is a vowel, then A is an element of capital S, and we write in the following manner. However, J is not a vowel, so it is not an element of capital S, and we write in the following manner. Sets are described in the following ways. Number 1, the roster method. In this method, we describe a set by listing the elements separated by commas and enclosed in a pair of braces. For example, let S be the set of all vowels in the English alphabet. We're going to identify the elements. So the elements are A, E, I, O, U. And then you're going to separate these by commas and enclosed in a pair of braces. So the following is the answer. Number 2, rule method. We use a variable to represent the elements of the set and a rule which describes a property common to all the elements. For example, let capital T be the set containing red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Question: what is the rule method for this set? And the answer is the set of all X such that X is one of the colors of the rainbow. X is the variable, and the rule which describes the property common to all the elements is one of the colors of the rainbow. We now go to this exercise. Express the following set in terms of the roster method. Set A is a set of all positive divisors or factors of 6. Okay, so anong sagot nyo? So ito ang sagot. Set A contains 1, 2, 3, and 6. Express the following set in terms of the rule method. Set B contains January, February, and March. Sige, try nyo munang sagutan. Ito ang sagot. Set B is a set containing X such that X is one of the first 3 months of the year. Some terminologies. Number 1, empty set. It is a set that contains no element. These are the notations. Number 2, universal set. It is a set containing all elements under consideration. We usually use capital U to denote universal set. Example, consider the set containing A, E, and U. A possible universal set is a set of all vowels in the English alphabet. Another possible answer is a set of all letters in the English alphabet. Number 3, finite set. It is a set such that the process of counting its elements eventually comes to an end. Example, a set containing 1, 2, and 3. On the other hand, infinite sets are sets which are not finite. Example, set containing 1, 2, 3, and so on.